Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE camera distortion issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Then here in apps, scroll down and open camera. And now after opening camera, click on camera settings and then in camera settings scroll down and here click on reset camera settings. Now then click on reset and then go back and here open camera storage. After opening camera storage, clear the camera storage data and cache memory. And after that go back and then open battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install.